everything's still working right. I'm gonna turn my air shifter down to about 5,000 RPM just to make sure it's shifting when it needs to. Alright, so this is the data log on the pull I just did. Right here's your RPM, and that's your target air-fuel ratio, the actual air-fuel ratio, the actual boost, and your target dome pressure. And this is your fuel pressure, oil pressure, and throttle position. So, and then it's got ignition timing right here. But pretty much I laid into it right there, and the boost went up to 21 pounds for about, down here's your time, so about a quarter of a second. And then my boost solenoids, my MAC valves, pulled it down real quick to 20 pounds and then back to 18 right there. And the yellow line's my fuel pressure, which looks very good. That Air Motive 5 gallon per minute really gives it the fuel it needs. So it's on E85, so you really need that thing. I was running out of fuel with 2 Walbro 450s, and let's see, everything else looks really good. That's what you like seeing. My oil pressure's pretty steady. It drops down a little bit when I let out of it right there, but I really need a Moroso oil pan or a drag race style oil pan. But what you don't want to see is like jagged lines with any of this stuff. Like if your fuel pressure right here dips down, it means you're gonna run it lean, it's running out of fuel. Or you know, this one's my RPM, it's pretty steady. You know, all this stuff looks really good. This blue line right here, the dark blue line, that's my air fuel ratio. And the green line that's right there with it, I mean, it's nearly identical, is my target air fuel. So it's following exactly what I'm telling it to do, which is what you want. And this is what I was looking for when I did the pull. I was data logging it. That way I know everything's gonna be good the next time I take it to the track.